Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel for Paradigm Analytics. So far in our ThinkorSwim tutorial series we have reviewed how to place buy and sell orders. In this segment we will examine how to place a stop order. Let's get started. A stop order is a type of conditional order often used in our paradigm models. Conditional orders will not trade until the defined condition is present. This level of pre-planning each trade allows you to trade as intended without having to watch your computer monitor all day long. To place a stop order we must first log into ThinkorSwim's desktop app. If you do not have the desktop version you can download it at tdameritrade.com. Or use the web-based version by going to trade.thinkorswim.com. In order to enter a stop order you must own a position. This position would have initially been purchased through a buy order. If you missed the video on how to enter a buy order you may want to circle back and start there first. To view open positions select the Monitor tab near the upper left-hand corner of the platform. In this example you can see we have one open position, which is 100 shares of FedEx. By selecting the arrow to the left of the ticker symbol any positions within that name are exposed. Investors primarily use stop orders to cap losses or preserve gains. In this example, a stop order will be utilized to ensure a portion of profits are retained in the event the investment reversed. Right-click on the position you would like to apply a stop order to. Scroll to create closing order on the pop-up menu and then select with stop. This action will transfer you to the Trade tab. This will bring up a pre-filled stop order template. You will notice it automatically populates the order for the entire open position in the quantity column. This can be altered if you do not wish for the order to apply to all shares. For the purpose of this example we are going to apply the stop order to the entire position. Moving further right on the order entry screen you will see the abbreviation MKT. This stands for market, which is the default order type for stop orders. If the price of the stock falls to the stop price you select a market order is sent out to immediately sell the position. It is important to note that this does not mean you will necessarily get filled at the stop price selected. For those seeking a sell at a guaranteed price you would instead want to use a stop limit order and input the minimum price you are willing to accept. Since these shares have a significant gain, let's assume we want to sell the shares and protect profits if the price dropped below 260. We would enter a stop price of 260. If we wanted to ensure we also received a price of no less than 259.80 per share we could enter that figure in the limit price section. For this example we will simply use a stop price of 260, so let's click back to a stop order type. Lastly, we must select the duration we want this order to be in force. The default option is for the day. However, we want this order to remain open for the long term in the event our shares would decline past our specified price. So we will select GTC from the drop-down menu, which stands for Good Till Cancelled. Our order is now complete and we can select the green Confirm and Send button at the bottom of the page. An order confirmation screen will populate. Confirm the order is correct and hit Send. Now that the order is entered you can visually see the open order in two locations. First click back to the Monitor tab. Under Working Orders you will see the open order to sell 100 shares of FedEx stock using a market order if the stock price hits $260 per share. It also shows the current price FedEx is trading at as well as the status of the order which is working. Next select the Charts tab. On the upper left-hand side enter the ticker symbol of the stock you just placed a stop order for. Upon doing so you will see the chart now reflects the working stop order. If the stock price would fall to this 260 level our position would be sold and a bulk of profits retained. That is how you place a stop order on ThinkorSwim. This process would be the same using other brokers. Thank you for tuning in and be sure to hit subscribe to be alerted when additional videos are published. For more information visit our website at www.buildyourparadigm.com.